Hi, I'm Sandy Hirschline, welcoming you to another Siemens How-to-drive video, with the goal of helping you better understand and work with Siemens variable frequency drives and related motion control products. In this How-to-drive video, Low Voltage Enclosed Drives Product Manager Chuck Fernandez shows off the washable air cooling filters for the SINAMICS G120XE and the G120E-2 enclosed general performance drives. Just knowing how and when to clean them can reduce maintenance, time, and expense, while keeping the drives running at peak efficiency. So now let's hear what Chuck has to say. Chuck?
Thanks, Sandy. As I'm sure you are aware, uptime is key to optimizing profits in a plant operation. And one of the most common causes for variable speed downtime is overheating. Every drive has fans pushing cool air over the electronics to prevent the higher temperatures from causing failures. Siemens G120XE and G120E-2 enclosed drives have an option for NEMA 12 filters to prevent dust buildup inside the drive. But over time, the dust and other particles will build up on the filter and the airflow can become restricted. To ensure the cooling of these systems operates at peak performance, washable filters are provided with the drives. Many enclosed drives have filters that need to be replaced when they get dirty. This is not necessary with the G120XE and the G120E-2 since washable filters are installed. I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to remove the filters, wash them, and then reinstall them, eliminating the need to ever buy new filters after purchasing the drive. Start by removing the filters from the door by pushing on the filter from below. Notice we don't even have to open the door of the enclosure. It's safe to remove and clean these filters while the drive keeps running. The filters are made with a rust-proof aluminum frame which holds the foam filter media in place. These filters are designed to last the lifetime of the drive. All you do is dust off the excess dust and then run hot water over the filter. There's no need for abrasive chemicals. Soap should not be needed, but a mild detergent may be used if you're having a tough time getting them clean. Be sure not to use a strong alkali cleaning solution because it will damage the aluminum material in the filter. It is important that the filter is dry before returning it to the unit. After running water over the filter, let it stand for a few minutes with the drain opening down to allow any residual water to drain. After the filters have sufficiently dried, reinstall them in the door with the drain opening down. Depending on the environment, filters should generally be checked monthly to ensure efficient airflow. It's as simple as that. With regular cleaning, the G120XE and the G120E-2 filters will last as long as the drive and ensure maximum uptime.
Thanks, Chuck. If you'd like more information on the SINAMICS G120XE or G120E-2 enclosed drives, a good place to start is usa.siemens.com/SINAMICS-G120XE or G120E-2. Thank you for watching, and please drive carefully.